What's up guys, it's Michael here from Bikes Freaks. So today we're going to be looking at a stock exhaust on an XR125 versus the aftermarket exhaust. First of all, I'd like to start out thanking my sponsors. Fox, thank you guys for supplying me with the cool kit. You guys should check them out. So this is the first one. This is with the stock exhaust muffler on it. Now we've installed an aftermarket exhaust, let's see how it sounds. Thank you for checking out another Bikes Freaks tutorial. Please make sure to check out my partner's channel. Description will be down below. The link will be there. Check it out. Some great videos. See you next time.